Hello guys, welcome again to the EduGen Technologies. In this video, I want to show you how you can make a payment once you have run out of the free credit which the system gives you, so that you can test it to see how it generates documents. And if you want to continue generating document, you need to make a payment. So if you want to make a payment, this is how you can do it. Just come down here and find where it says pay with DPO, which is card and mobile money. So you have to click on this very button. Once you click on it, it starts processing and it will take you to the next page. So when it processes and it brings you to this next page, here is what you need to do. So just watch. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do. So it will collect most of the information here. It will say EduGen Technologies. It will carry your reference payment here. Then it will also have the provider reference number here and also service date, like that. So once it does that, you just have to scroll down. You scroll down, and then when you scroll down, you come here where it says country code. So here you need to click there and then select Zambia here. If you are paying from Zambia, you select Zambia, which is +260. Once you do that, then come down here and select address and city. For address, I said just put Lusaka here, and then also city, just put Lusaka, and then where it says country, just choose Zambia. Write Zambia here. You just type Zambia. Type Zambia like that. Then you scroll down. So country Zambia, you choose Zambia there. Then code here, zip or postal code, you put 101001. Once you do that, then click on continue. When you click on continue, then you are supposed to choose the payment method that you want. Either you want to use card, mobile, or a Pesa link. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can pay using mobile. So we are going to use like Airtel, because my phone right now has Airtel. So we are going to choose Airtel. After choosing Airtel, it will load and then we will see. So it has chosen Airtel. Then you put your phone number here. So put your phone number. After you do that, then you click on agree to DPO's terms and conditions. Just click there. Make sure that your phone number is correct and it is in your phone. All right. Then from there, click pay via mobile. So what will happen, there will be a prompt message which is going to come on your screen like this. So all you need to do is now to put your password here. So I'm going to put my password here. And then click send. I'm going to click send. Then it is going to say thank you for confirming the PIN. You will receive the notification shortly. So that confirms that the payment has gone through. So after the payment goes through, then you are brought back here. So you can try now to log in to see if the payment has gone through. Okay, so this is how now it looks after you have made the payment. So you see down here, it will tell you what you have. All right, so you are a subscriber, you have made the payment. So as a subscriber, it will have 60 credits here to help you go through the entire month. All right, so now what you can do is now to click here on share and earn any 20% commission. So when you pay, you get a link to share. Whom do you share to? You share to people you know that these can be interested in online tuitions or can be interested in using the platform. Like they're already students doing GCE or grade 10 to 12. All right, so when you click on the link here, just click here. When you click it, it is going to load. So it will load as follows. So it is loading. Once it loads, then you have the link here. So it can say copy message, or it can say share via WhatsApp. So when you copy this message, there's nothing that you need to do. Just copy and share. When a person clicks on the link, it will bring them to the platform and they will be able to learn whatever is on the platform. And when they like whatever is happening on the platform, they will decide to make a payment. When they make a payment, you are going to earn a commission, meaning that our platform supports those who spread the word. So you spread the word, you earn a commission. That's how we help each other. You help to spread the word, we also pay you for spreading the word. Otherwise, the link, you cannot get it before you do a subscription yourself. Otherwise, be careful. The links that you'll be sharing, some of you'll be sharing links for others who have made the subscription thinking that you are able to earn something from that. You cannot earn until you subscribe yourself and have a link and share it. And when someone subscribes through your link, you can earn while you also learn. Once you make a payment, you are going to receive a message in your email confirming that you have made a payment. So for that payment which I made, there was a message which comes. So it will come like this, DPO. It will say payment confirmation, EduGen Technologies reference number it will show you, so that if the subscription is not activated, you can dispute. So it shows that the payment has been done. Dear Davis user, thank you for completing your online payment using DPO. We we collect payments on behalf of EduGen Technologies. This is a confirmation email to let you know that your payment was successful. Your order details and confirmation will be provided by EduGen Technologies. So it will show you the payment which I've made and everything. So this is how organized everything is. So do your payment and make sure that you remain subscribed.